How to install Football Manager 26 Early Access. Get the beta version early. So, to install Football Manager 26 Early Access, get the beta version early. The first thing that you'll need to do is to head over to footballmanager.com, and then from there, you'll be able to find this pre-purchase button at the top right. So, from here, click on that, and then in here, go ahead and select the version that you want to pre-order. And then under that specific version, you'll be able to find the platforms where you can install it. So select the platform where you want to install it. And then in here, make sure to click on this pre-order button to pre-order Football Manager 26. So once the game is available, you'll be able to find it on your game library. And then you can go ahead and install it to download the beta version immediately on your device. So once installed, launch FM26 beta from your game library, and you'll be able to start a new career, test features, and even play online. Your saves from beta will carry over to the full game when it launches on November 4, 2025. And that is how you can basically install Football Manager 26 Early Access.